Picture this. You're cruising down the highway when suddenly your engine starts knocking like someone's hammering on your hood. Your dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree, and before you know it, you're stranded on the shoulder watching your $60,000 vehicle get loaded onto a tow truck. This nightmare scenario is happening to thousands of drivers right now with some of the most popular engines on the market. And here's the kicker. The first engine on our list isn't from some obscure brand you've never heard of. It's from the company that practically invented reliability. Let's start with an engine that keeps British mechanics in business, the Ingenium 2.0 Turbo 4-cylinder. Found in the Range Rover Evoque, Velar, Discovery Sport, and various Jaguar models, this engine has become notorious for timing chain stretch that can occur as early as 40,000 miles. We're talking about a $4,000 to $7,000 repair that often strikes without warning. Specialist bulletins from 2024 and 2025 continue to document persistent failures, with some owners reporting catastrophic engine damage when the timing chain finally lets go. One owner reported their 2023 Evoque needed a complete engine rebuild at just 31,000 miles. For a luxury brand charging premium prices, this level of unreliability is simply unacceptable. General Motors' 2.7-liter Turbo Max 4-cylinder was supposed to be the future, powerful, efficient, and reliable. Instead, it's become a cautionary tale about rushing new technology to market. Found in the 2025 Silverado 1500, Sierra 1500, Colorado, and Canyon, this engine has suffered from multiple issues. GM issued a customer satisfaction program in February 2024 to address cracked engine blocks in certain 2023 models. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Owners report fuel injector problems causing incorrect fuel flow rates and emissions breaches. High-pressure fuel pump failures have left drivers stranded, and there's growing concern about carbon buildup due to the direct injection system lacking port injection to clean the valves. With some mechanics reporting a 4% catastrophic failure rate, this engine is proving that bigger isn't always better when it comes to turbo 4-cylinders in full-size trucks. Here's where things get really interesting. For the third consecutive year, Consumer Reports has named the Ford F-150 PowerBoost the least reliable vehicle you can buy, with a reliability score of just 7 out of 100 points. Let that sink in. Not just the least reliable truck, but the least reliable vehicle, period. The PowerBoost hybrid system combines a twin-turbo V6 with electric motors, and the complexity is showing. Owners report issues ranging from hybrid battery failures and electrical system problems to transmission issues and chronic air conditioning failures. One owner described having their truck in the shop for nearly 5 weeks over 9 months, trying to diagnose electrical gremlins. For a system that starts at over $65,000, these reliability problems are forcing loyal Ford customers to reconsider their next purchase. If you're finding this information valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Trust me, you'll want to see which popular truck engine is about to shock you at number 1, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming video on the most reliable engines. Yes, they still exist. Stellantis just recalled 320,065 plug-in hybrid Jeeps in the US alone, warning owners not to charge their vehicles and to park away from buildings due to fire risk. This affects 2020 to 2025, Wrangler 4xe, and 2022 to 2026. Grand Cherokee 4xe models. The company has documented 19 fires so far, with 9 occurring in vehicles that had already received a previous recall fix. The problem stems from battery separator damage that can cause thermal runaway. Essentially, your Jeep could spontaneously combust while parked in your garage. Samsung SDI, the battery supplier, has admitted the root cause involves complex interactions within the battery cells. Until a permanent fix is available, owners of these $60,000-plus vehicles can't even use the plug-in feature they paid premium money for. The Hurricane engine was supposed to herald a new era for Ram and Jeep, more power than a Hemi with better fuel economy. Found in the 2025 Ram 1500, Jeep Wagoneer, and Grand Wagoneer, this twin-turbo inline-6 is already showing concerning patterns. Early adopters report misfire codes, oil level warning lights, and even complete engine failures under 20,000 miles. Thermostat failures, turbocharger issues, and oil leaks are becoming common complaints in 2024 and 2025 models. One Ram owner reported needing a complete engine replacement at just 3,216 miles. when metal from a failed turbo contaminated the entire engine. While it's still early days for this engine, the emerging pattern of problems has it on every mechanic's watch list. Mazda's reputation for reliability takes a hit with their turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder. Found in the CX-5 and CX-50 turbo models, this engine is the subject of an ongoing class action lawsuit alleging widespread coolant leaks that can lead to overheating and engine failure. The lawsuit claims Mazda knew about the defect but continued selling affected vehicles without proper disclosure. Technical service bulletins confirm the issue, with some owners reporting complete engine failure requiring $8,000 plus replacements. For a brand that prides itself on engineering excellence, this represents a significant black mark on their record. Ford's mid-range EcoBoost engines have become a reliability nightmare. The 2.7-liter and 3.0-liter versions found in F-150s, Broncos, Explorers, and Lincoln models are subject to recall 24S55 for intake valve failures that can cause catastrophic engine damage. The valves can become brittle and break, sending metal fragments throughout the engine. But that's not the only issue. Owners report turbocharger failures, timing chain problems, and persistent oil leaks. With these engines powering everything from family SUVs to work trucks, the widespread nature of these problems affects hundreds of thousands of vehicles. General Motors is recalling approximately 597,600 vehicles equipped with a 6.2-liter or EL87 V8 engine due to bearing failures that can cause complete engine seizure. This affects Silverado and Sierra 150s, along with Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon, and Escalade models. GM has identified 28,102 complaints involving engine failures in affected vehicles between April 2021 and February 2025, with 14,332 reports involving complete loss of propulsion. The root cause? Manufacturing defects, including sediment contamination and out-of-spec crankshaft dimensions. When your premium V8, the engine customers pay extra for, has this level of failure, it undermines the entire brand's credibility. This one hurts because it's Toyota, the gold standard of reliability. In November 2025, Toyota recalled 127,000 vehicles, including 2022 to 2024 Tundras, 2022 to 2024 Lexus LX models, and 2024 Lexus GX models due to engine machining debris that can cause complete failure. This is actually an expansion of an earlier recall, and owners are reporting engine failures at extremely low mileage, often under 20,000 miles. One owner experienced total engine failure at just 10,500 miles. The debris left in the engine during manufacturing can contaminate main bearings, leading to knocking, stalling, and catastrophic failure. Toyota is still developing a remedy, leaving owners of $60,000 plus trucks and SUVs in limbo. Wow, even Toyota made the list. If you're as shocked as I am, leave a comment below about which engine surprised you the most. And hey, if you're shopping for a truck right now, you definitely want to stick around for the top 3. These are the engines you absolutely need to avoid. Nissan is recalling 443,000 vehicles equipped with their variable compression turbo engines due to bearing failures. This affects 2021 to 2024 Rogues, 2019 to 2020 Altimas, 2019 to 2022 Infiniti QX50s, and 2022 QX55s. The complex variable compression technology that Nissan spent 2 decades developing has become its Achilles heel, with defective main bearings and AC and L-link components causing gradual engine deterioration. Nissan has received over 1,000 warranty claims related to these failures. While the company promises free engine replacements for affected vehicles, the damage to their reputation for this supposedly revolutionary technology is already done. The Korean brands continue to struggle with engine reliability. The turbocharged 2.5-liter SmartStream engine found in 2024 to 2025 Santa Fe, K5 Sonata, and Santa Cruz models has been hit with multiple recalls. NHTSA filings from 2025 cite incorrectly torqued connecting rod bolts that can cause stalling and fire risk. There's also a separate recall for the Santa Fe involving fire risk from the starter terminal cover. These issues come on top of Hyundai and Kia's ongoing multi-billion-dollar settlements for previous engine failures, showing they still haven't solved their quality control problems. Beyond the specific L87 recall, GM's active and dynamic fuel management systems continue to plague their V8 engines. Found in 2019 to 2025 full-size trucks and SUVs, these engines suffer from chronic lifter failures that can destroy the camshaft and require major repairs. Multiple class action lawsuits are ongoing, with owners reporting misfires, engine stalls, and catastrophic failures. The problem is so widespread that an entire cottage industry has emerged selling AFM delete kits. When owners are paying thousands to remove factory technology just to keep their engines running, you know there's a fundamental design flaw. Multiple Ford EcoBoost. Four-cylinder engines continue to face reliability issues. Found in 2025 Escapes, Bronco Sports, and various other Ford and Lincoln models, these engines are subject to ongoing litigation. A 2025 lawsuit revival cites coolant intrusion issues allegedly causing head and block problems leading to failures. Carbon buildup, turbocharger failures, and head gasket issues plague these engines across multiple model years. When your volume engines, the ones in your most popular and affordable vehicles, have systematic problems, it affects millions of customers. Alright, we're down to the final two, and I guarantee the #1 spot will have you questioning everything you thought you knew about automotive reliability. Yes, this engine is so problematic, it gets 2 spots on our list. Beyond the 597,600 vehicles already recalled, NHTSA expanded their investigation in late 2025 after receiving over 1,100 additional reports of bearing failures beyond the initial recall scope. This suggests the problem is even more widespread than GM initially admitted. We're talking about their premium V8, the engine in their most expensive trucks and SUVs, having a fundamental design or manufacturing flaw that GM still hasn't fully addressed. When your Halo engine has this level of problems, it calls into question the entire company's quality control. And the most unreliable engine for 2025 to 2026. Shockingly, it's Toyota's twin-turbo V6 again, taking the top spot because of the sheer scope and severity of the ongoing crisis. With the November 2025 recall being the newest high-profile recall affecting 127,000 premium trucks and SUVs, combined with Toyota still developing a remedy months after identifying the problem, this represents a massive failure for the reliability king. Multiple Toyota forums report that even hybrid versions with the same engine are experiencing failures, though Toyota hasn't recalled those yet. When owners of $70,000 plus Tundras and $100,000 plus Lexus LX models are experiencing catastrophic engine failures under warranty, and Toyota's response is, "We're still working on it," that's a complete breakdown of the brand promise that made Toyota what it is. There you have it, the 15 most unreliable engines you'll find in 2025 and 2026 showrooms. The shocking truth? Many of these come from brands we've trusted for decades. The push for more power, better fuel economy, and lower emissions has created a perfect storm of complexity and unreliability. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe. Your support helps us continue bringing you the unfiltered truth about the automotive industry. Drop a comment below, telling me which engine problem shocked you the most, or if you've experienced any of these issues yourself. And remember, knowledge is power when it comes to protecting your wallet. Next week, we're revealing the 10 most reliable engines still in production. Yes, they do exist. Until then, drive safe, and always do your research before signing on that dotted line.